As the chill of winter settles in and twinkling lights begin to glow across the neighborhood, your front porch becomes more than just an entryway. It becomes a warm welcome to the magic of Christmas. The sound of footsteps crunching in the snow, the scent of pine and cinnamon, and the glow of candles through frosted windows, it all starts right at your doorstep. From classy and simple designs to DIY porch projects that bring joy on a budget, these Christmas front porch decor ideas will help you turn your home into a cozy holiday retreat that shines bright through the season. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your go-to space for seasonal creativity and home inspiration. In today's video, we're sharing Christmas front porch decor ideas, from small porch setups to grand holiday entrances. Whether you love cozy rustic charm, elegant classic designs, or festive DIY projects, these ideas will help you decorate your porch beautifully and bring that warm Christmas spirit to your home's entrance. What's the first step in decorating your porch for Christmas? Start with a theme: rustic, elegant, or playful. A cohesive theme guides your color palette and decorations. Once you have your vision, layer in lighting, greenery, and accent pieces to tie everything together seamlessly. How can I make my front porch look festive without cluttering it? Less is more. Choose statement pieces like a bold wreath, lanterns, or garlands, then balance them with simple touches like ribbons or twinkle lights. Clean lines and symmetry make even small porches look polished and cozy. If you love simple, classy porch designs, tap like and share this video to inspire your holiday-loving friends. What are the best lighting ideas for a Christmas porch? Mix warm white fairy lights with lanterns or pathway stakes for a soft glow. Wrap string lights around railings and garlands to highlight details. Adding one statement piece, like a lit reindeer or glowing Christmas tree, creates that perfect holiday sparkle. How can I decorate a small front porch for Christmas? Use vertical space, hang wreaths, small planters, or wall-mounted lanterns. Opt for slim Christmas trees or potted evergreens that don't take up floor space. A doormat, a cozy throw on a chair, and a few candles can make even a small porch shine. What's your porch style? Cozy minimal or bold and festive? Let us know in the comments below. What are some classy Christmas front porch decor ideas? Choose a neutral color palette like gold, silver, and white. Add garlands draped with metallic ornaments, frosted pine cones, and elegant ribbon bows. Pair with lanterns or a few oversized ornaments for a high-end, timeless look. How can I add DIY elements to my Christmas porch decor? Craft your own wreath using pine branches, berries, and ribbon. Create homemade wooden signs that say Joy or Merry Christmas. You can even paint old planters or repurpose crates as gift boxes. DIY touches make your porch feel personal and creative. Check out our DIY Christmas Porch Projects playlist, linked in the description for more crafty inspiration. How do I decorate porch railings for Christmas? Wrap garlands along the railings, securing them with twine or ribbon. Add bows or string lights to make them pop. For extra elegance, weave in ornaments or frosted branches for texture and charm. What are good Christmas doormat and rug ideas? Layer a plaid or buffalo check rug under a Merry Christmas doormat for a cozy, festive entry. It's simple but instantly welcoming. You can also DIY your own doormat using stencils and outdoor paint. Love festive decorating ideas? Hit subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly holiday decor inspiration. How can I decorate porch planters for Christmas? Fill them with evergreen branches, red berries, and pine cones. Add fairy lights or bows for color and sparkle. Mixing textures like cedar, fir, and eucalyptus gives your arrangement a rich, layered look. How can I decorate my front door to complement the porch? Your door is the centerpiece. Adorn it with a large wreath, hanging ornaments, or a festive swag. Match the color scheme of your porch so everything feels cohesive. Add a ribbon or bell accent for that final Christmas touch. Want more festive door and entry ideas? Check out our Christmas door decor playlist in the description below. What are some outdoor Christmas porch decor ideas that stand out? Combine lighted trees, a few glowing lanterns, and themed props like sleds or reindeer. Adding layered textures, garlands, fabric, and wood gives your porch depth and warmth, even from the street. How can I make my porch look warm and inviting during winter nights? Use warm-toned lighting, amber fairy lights, candle lanterns, and soft LED glows. Add cozy touches like plaid blankets, cushions, or faux fur throws to make your porch look like the perfect winter retreat. What are easy last-minute porch decorating ideas? Add a wreath, some fairy lights, and a basket of pine cones or ornaments. Even a few well-placed pieces can turn your porch festive in minutes. Use what you have. Sometimes simplicity is the best style. How can I make my porch decorations weather-resistant? Use outdoor-rated lights, waterproof ribbons, and artificial garlands. Spray a protective sealant on natural materials like pine cones or wood signs to help them last through snow and rain. How can I make my porch decor look cohesive from day to night? Focus on layering. Greenery and ribbons by day, lights by night. A unified color palette ensures your porch looks festive in every light. Whether morning sunlight or moonlit snow, your porch will shine all season long. Your porch is the first glimpse of Christmas magic your guests see, so make it warm, welcoming, and full of festive spirit. From small DIY setups to elegant designs, these Christmas front porch decor ideas turn your home's entrance into a joyful scene straight out of a holiday movie. This year, let your front porch sparkle with light, laughter, and the timeless beauty of the season. Enjoyed these ideas? Tap like and share this video to spread Christmas cheer. What's your favorite porch theme? Classy elegance, DIY charm, or cozy simplicity? Tell us below. Explore our Christmas front porch and entryway decor playlist for more creative inspiration. Hit subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly holiday decorating and home styling videos. Watch our other uploads on Christmas yard setups, door wreaths, and festive centerpieces.